only wanna open up our mind. You ever heard the word pronoia? It's the opposite of paranoia. Pronoia, the belief that the world conspires in your favor. Honey, it's a game changer, it's a cherry lifesaver, so sweet. Lately, I've been getting high to a new beat, and I tell myself it's meant to be. Losing them, but I find it bleak and it's bittersweet. What if I lost my job to write this track, and lost my grit to help my craft, and all of the rejection was for my own protection? You ever heard the word pronoia? It's the opposite of paranoia. Pronoia, the belief that the world conspires in your favor. Honey, it's a game changer, it's a cherry lifesaver, so sweet. Lately, I've been getting high to a new beat, and I tell myself it's meant to be. Losing him, but I find it me, and it's bittersweet. I'm making peace with history. I'm missing him, but I'm finally free. Yeah. When I feel like everything is breaking down, it's a dip before I hit the higher ground. So I tell myself it's meant to be. Losing him, but I find it me, and it's bittersweet. I'm making peace with history. I'm missing him, but I'm finally free. And I'm finally free. It's so bittersweet. It's so bittersweet. Yeah, I think that's it.